5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, 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 level up.
Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be revealing the January 2019 Boxycharm box. I am going to be doing a giveaway in this video. I'm gonna be giving away the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 Tarte eyeshadow palette. Just because I have so many of these, I guess same shades. I have a lot of palette that has these same colors in them. So I am going to be giving this away. I want to be real careful not to, the little plastic is on top of this. I'm going to put it back on there. I just wanted to show you kind of what the palette looks like. I don't know if y'all can see that. There is one matte shade in here. It's called Tiki, and the rest are shimmers. It's just like a bronzy brown palette. I'll go ahead and insert a photo of what this looks like in there. That way, if you can't see it, the front of it looks like this. But I am going to be giving away this palette. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and drop a comment down below in the comment section, and I will enter y'all for this palette. Alright, that was one of the first things that came in this box. The thing that I'm super excited about are these two Tatcha face masks. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this. I recently just got the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm really enjoying that. So I really can't wait to try one of these masks. I hope they are as good as everybody is claiming them to be. So I got those in here, and let's see. It comes with a little card, and those retailed for $24. I don't know if they're $24 each or if they're $24 for two. I'm assuming they're $24 each. I'm not sure. But those came in as well. Okay, and then the next thing is this Don't Despair Repair Strength Plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. This is for your hair. It is super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner, provides reparative benefits and beyond. So, and I actually have used this. This retails for $16. I don't think this is a full-size product, but I mean, I have been using this for about 2 days now, and I really do like how it makes my hair feel. It smells really good too. So I also got that in there. And then I got this Oprah long-lasting liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Havana Nights, and it looks like this. Let me see if I can't swatch it for you guys. That's what it looks like. It's a really creamy lipstick. It does dry down to a matte finish, but it's not like really hard on your lips. It kind of reminds me of the what I have on today. It's the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lippy by Becky G, and then it's a dry down matte, but it doesn't like make my lips really hard. So I really do like this color, and I like the formula as well. Okay, and then the last thing I got was this Starlooks. This is an eyeliner, and it's in brown. It's really creamy. I really like the formula on this. I've never heard of this brand, but this retails for $19. So I have a lot of black eyeliner, so I was really glad to get that in my box. But yeah, that's all that came in this month's box. Like I said, this was what I was most excited to try. I'll do a video on maybe like a skincare, how I do my face, my night routines and stuff, and I'll show y'all the before and after I put one of these on. But don't forget, I am going to be giving away the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette in this video. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below, and you'll be entered to win this. I think I'm going to go ahead and do this. We'll make the drawing on the last day of January, so that'll be all you have to do in order to be entered in this giveaway. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. I appreciate the continued support. Like I said, if you want my referral code for the Boxycharm, if y'all want to subscribe to that, let me know, and I will drop that to y'all in the comment section. Alright guys, I hope you have a wonderful week.